Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to get this pretty and pink look from start to finish, so let's jump right in. I'm starting off with my L'Oreal Lumi Glow Nation foundation. This is one of my favorites. It gives me just that soft glow and it's moisturizing. It's lightweight and it has buildable coverage. Next, I'm going right in with my Milani bronzer. This always adds some warmth to my face. I love the color and its creamy texture. I just slightly dab it on my face to give it ever so slightly contour to enhance and define my facial structure, since sometimes I'm told that I have sort of a baby face. I just blend out the rest with the larger beauty blender, and following that I'm going to start applying my blush to add a natural flush of color to my face, to soften my face and give a fresh, youthful vibe. Today I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer to hide, correct, and brighten my under eyes and other areas on my face to help create a flawless, even complexion. I'm going to transition over to using my e.l.f. bronzer to set that contour, and then my NYX Buttermilk blush to set that cream blush that I previously did. I like to set my cream products with powders so that my makeup doesn't slide, smear, or transfer. Next, I'm going in with this half-caked eyeshadow palette. I love applying eyeshadow. Eyeshadow just enhances the eyes and draws attention to them. I think it's one of the most creative and expressive parts of the look coming together. Here you'll see me applying a darker color on the outer portion of the lid and then going in on the middle of my lid with the powdered NYX Buttermilk blush. I just find that when you add the blush to the lid, it gives it more of a pulled together effect for the whole face. And then finally, I'm just going to apply the light color in the inner part of the lid. Oh, and let's not forget the shimmer. We're going to go in with just a little bit of shimmer on the inner corner of the eyelid. And before I finish up the eyes, going in with my setting powder, the one size, the pink. This is going to help brighten up those under eyes a little bit more by setting that e.l.f. Camo concealer. And to finish up with the eyes, I'm going to apply my eyeliner and my lashes. And now to bring this look all together, I'm going to go in with my Milani lip liner to improve the longevity of my lipstick and help my lipstick not to smudge into fine lines around my mouth. I'm applying a Maybelline lipstick with it and a Tarte matte formula in the middle to give my lips some depth. I'm linking all the products and the shades used in today's video in the bio. Lastly, I'm going to set this look so that my makeup stays in place all day with the new Huda Easy Bake setting spray. And that's the final look, this pretty and pink from start to finish. It's super easy and beginner friendly. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with anyone who's wanting to try something new. Let me know, you guys, what I should try next. Okay, love you. Bye.